So magandang araw kabole, sa video na ito pag-uusapan po natin yung dalawang teams po kabole na sa baba po ng standings po natin, and we will suggest a trade to them, and then of course pag-usapan natin itong pinakabago po na potential po na maging head coach po ng Gilas. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Ito nga po ang potential po na maging next head coach po ng Gilas, Brian Goorjian. Currently po the head coach kabole ng national team po ng Australia kabole, and if you remember, yes, he is also the head coach of the Bay Area Dragons kabole na tinalo po ng Barangay Ginebra last 2023 Commissioner's Cup. And when he was asked about the possibility of getting that job in Gilas, I'm very open to it, sabi naman po nitong si Coach Goorjian kabole. Sabi niya, I'm finished with Australia after the Olympics, which is in a way very surprising kabole, kasi po si Coach Brian kabole, believe it or not, led Australia to their first ever medal in basketball, bronze medal po last 2020 kabole. So for them to just let him go for second after just the second try sa Olympics, medyo ginawa nakakataas po ng kilay kabole, di ba? So basically he led them to their best finish ever. Tapos diba parang i-give up lang. And of course Philippines have a chance to take advantage of this kabole if they choose him. Pero of course ang caveat niyan is they need to wait, diba? Kailangan nilang hintayin po itong si Coach Brian kabole, kasi po yung Olympics nasa middle of the year pa ngayong taon. So they need to wait, or they need to have a stand-it coach po muna as they wait for him if they choose to have Brian. Ang kagandahan dito kay Coach Goorjian, of course, is the reality na wala pa siyang nasasagasaan in a way sa PBA, di ba? Unlike Coach Tab kabole, he already burned the bridge towards SMC specifically kabole. So with that, I think he could be a real option, di ba? Knowing that of course Coach Tim Cone is still the best option, knowing nga po the success that he has in doon nga po sa Asian Cup. Pero again, the issue with Coach Tim Cone is that if we want to maximize him, he needs to be 100% focused po sa Gilas, and that will not happen kasi malamang hindi rin naman po siya pababayaan or bibitawan na lang po ng Barangay Ginebra kabole, diba? Knowing po yung kanya pong naging success din po with Barangay Ginebra. So with all those realities, I think Coach Brian is actually a very good possibility for Gilas. Then comments muna tayo. Shoutout po kay Engineer Quiz TV kabole, and then sabi po ni si mobile phone, maraming blessing to para kay Fajardo, fast recovery from injury and good health. Praise the Lord, thanks God, stay humble Fajardo, and more blessings will come kabole. So now dito na po tayo, mag-suggest po tayo kabole ng atin pong mga trades kay Converge at kay Blackwater. Converge muna, simple lang, J.O. Ambohot for a future first ng Northport. I think it will be a win-win already. Coach Bonitan knows Ambohot, and of course hindi siya masyadong ginagamit po ni Coach Aldin Ayo. I do think na the potential of J.O. is real kabole, pero kung hindi rin naman po siya i-maximize po ng Converge kabole, they do not see him as a future of their frontline, they give off na lang nila. What they will get will be a juicy future first. So hindi man 2024 yan, kahit 2025 or 2026, it all will be fine kabole, kasi nga po we still expect na palalim lang ng palalim ito maging draft. Kung hindi man po siya palalim ng palalim, we expect that it will still be very good kabole. It will be a very good draft. So worth it ito sa palagay ko kabole. And we know Northport how they handle, diba? Malamang top 5 pick po yan palagi. Blackwater naman, Troy Rosario to NLEX for Roger Nieto and future first. I'm hoping they can at least get a young big man, pero mukhang wala sila makuha young big man from NLEX kabole. So getting two quality guard in Roger and Nieto, who are big guards kabole, I think will compensate for the size na kailangan po nila. And I do believe Roger and Nieto are capable guards kabole that they can build around. Knowing nga po yung mga guardian ng Blackwater nagtatapos na yung mga kontrata kabole, they may want to get younger kabole with good potential. I think Roger and Nieto has that. Then of course they will also get a future first. So I think it's a win-win deal for Blackwater, and of course NLEX will get that Troy Rosario kabole. Okay ba sa iyo itong mga trade na to? Comment lang po sa baba.